Alrighty. Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, depending on when you see this, and Hose is back. I cannot believe it. I have some very bad news. It has happened again. This time, I could have prevented it. The other time, the first time I've done this is back at pulling for like Star Rail characters, but I did it again. I don't know how. I didn't. I should. I'm just gonna be more careful next time to check what I delete and whatnot. I swear I didn't delete it. I swear I just renamed the video and then I don't know what happened and it deleted itself or something. I don't know. But I'm gonna be more careful whenever I do my recycling video. But this video, or the original of this video, was accidentally erased. No! Thankfully, I didn't do anything crazy, so it's not terrible. To be honest with you, going to these last two rehearsals and something else wasn't terribly hard. So if I can do this fast enough, and to be honest, it doesn't even matter. To make it up to you guys, because my reactions will not be genuine here. I'm just gonna show you what the rehearsals was, but I won't be doing like, actively going for the double bananas again, because I already got them. And the balloons, I'll just show you where they were in a certain direction, and then I'll just tell you if I had a reaction to something. But it's nothing too crazy, thankfully, because let me tell you, if it was the finale video that I had erased, except for this one, oh my god, I would have blew my eyes out. I would have been so mad. Oh my god. Oh, but it's not terrible. So either way, sorry that this video is not going to be genuine. I will make it up to you guys. So I will be doing a second feature video. I might not know what this video is, but I don't know. We'll see. But I think it should be not DK related. I think if it is, oops. But we'll see. But I'm gonna make it up to you guys making a second video for this day, whatever this video comes out. I cannot believe this. This sucks. But anyways, by this time, Nintendo just put out a partner direct is going to release in the 31st, which is tomorrow for me. Which for you, I believe this is already like the first or second week of August. So if you haven't seen that video, you can go ahead and watch it. I'm sure it's really good. I have a lot of like, maybe these things can go into the system, and I'm still hoping it's Persona, man. I don't know. We'll see, because I don't know what types of games it's gonna put there. I have no idea. But I'm sure there's gonna be a lot of update videos for like, here's updates on Elden Ring, or the release date and stuff like that. But I'll talk more about it in that video if you want to watch it. But anyways, like I said, for this video we'll be doing the last two rehearsals, and then there's something else that I did. But thankfully, it's nothing too crazy. I could do it pretty quickly. And just tell you kind of what happened during that video. I just cannot believe I did that. I cannot believe it. But anyways, let's just continue. Let's go. Alright, here we go. Last mic check. Alright, here we go. I cannot believe I did this. But either way, I don't think I showed this, but I don't know if I did it during Ostrich. I think I did. Is where I reset all my skills. So every Bananza has their full skill set, and then there's those, but obviously you don't know these two yet. So let's do it. The rehearsal again. Rehearsal again. Yeah, I do, because I'm an idiot. Alright, we'll do the rehearsal. So I'll just be going through it normally. And then I'll tell you my reactions or some things I did within these two, but they're not terrible. They're not terrible. As the other Zebra and Ostrich. If I had to do Zebra or Ostrich during this, I would be so mad right now. I have to do those things again. Alright, here we go. There you go. Let's do it. I can do it to do this again. It's not terrible. Okay, so then here we go. So yeah, this one already you can just use the water. Boink. I did not know that could kill them. Back in the... I don't know. I don't even know what to say. Just saying that... Oh yeah, back in the old video. Okay, hello. But yeah, I can suck it up. So I didn't know this, but you can actually suck it up. It took one shot before I realized it, but yeah, you could suck it up. It becomes a bomb like that. And then there's the first balloon right there. Yeah. Yeah, is this scuff already? I'm sorry. Oh my god, I cannot believe it. But either way, the other thing that was happening during the video, which is what I'm kind of glad about, is I definitely kept being so anxious. I always kept checking my audio and pausing a lot, like just kind of standing still for a little bit. So thankfully I don't have that anymore. So here, yeah, as you can see. So, oh yeah, keep your chunks if you don't want to run out. Yeah. But yeah, anyways, oh, okay. So you have stuff in reserve. Just don't run out of your reserve. You ain't gonna get it back. Not really, at least. So this one you can do. There you go. And then this one. This is the one I took a while to figure out here. I'll show you how. There we go. Oops, that was close. Okay. There you go. And then something that we had to do here was this. There is a balloon right in this area, and it took me, I think, 10 minutes to figure it out, but I got it. It's not the correct way, but I choosed it. So what I had to do is I had to bring this guy over here. I'll just do it the exact same way I did it. Bring him over, go on top of them, and then chug jump one more time. Okay. There you go. There you go. So then you got here, grab the trunk, boom, and then there's the second balloon. I'm so mad. It's okay. Because the other videos were way worse, so I mean the other modes were way worse, so thankfully I did those first. Alright, here we go. There you go. That's the first one. Alright. And then the redo or the detour levels on this one were not really that bad. So if you look over here, so basically you just had to sculpt this thing to go up. It was literally easy. I just did like 3 sucks and it was already up there. So that's not too terrible. Let's keep moving. Breaking forecast. High chance of lightning or lightning? Think hard. The lighting and what light? I don't know. So then from here, so I got the glow tone. And yep, normal glow tone stuff. By now I should have been doing a different video, but it's whatever. So then here we have the switcheroo thing. So you can hit this to make the glowstone sand, or sorry, salt, and then get all that right there. And I just do this because this stuff is harder. There you go. I can't believe I did this thing. I got it as well. Bring this boy over here. He's stronger over there, but in glow tone, it's not as strong. Don't. Alright. There you go. Oh, wait. Didn't mean to do that. Okay. And whoosh! Still can't believe I don't know how they did this. And then you just surf right here. There you go. Now this part. Oh my god, this to give me some trouble. So I just kind of have to do this. But we run out of things fast. So there you go. I got lucky. And go boosh! Oh. And then go boosh! There you go. See. Okay, that was a lot faster than earlier. Earlier it took me 5 minutes to do that. But no, my CD! There you go. Make that glow tone again. And yeet! Oh. I'm gonna need this. There. Then use that. Oh, then use this to go over. Throw that, and then I'll grab my glow tone again. Boom, 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 wow, wow. And then I can use these guys to grab it. What are you doing? Don't throw it. Oh. Come here. Come here, stupid. Come on. Go over here. Go up. Go up. Go up. There you go. Got the salt. Bye-bye, yucky. By the way, the balloon here was it? Was it here? Oh yeah, the wait, where was the balloon here? Actually, I don't remember, but I'm guessing it was somewhere on top of something. I guess I don't remember. Oh, your presence is blinding. And here, all I did was literally throw the glow tone onto all those spaces. That's what happened. I think there's another way you're supposed to do it, but I definitely did not do it that way. So, oops. I think I had to put it in that hole and then it goes through all of it. Yeah, but I'm just dumb like that, but it's all good. Let's keep going. Breaking forecast, the golden hour is upon you. Use it wisely. Alright. I can salty with a chance of gold, which is so then, but this one you literally have to freaking do everything here. So you get to make this into glow tone. Then glow tone, you put it here. Then make it salt, boom. Fix that. Now apparently, glow tone is stronger than gold. So that sucks. We'll use glow tone. Take this, stupid. Out the way. Go. You also have to be careful because apparently you can like match it. Gotta be a little careful with that. Keep moving. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait, can I just go through it like this? Oh. I threw it last time, but I guess you don't need to. Whoosh! 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 Thanks for the sand. Die, idiot. Oh yeah! This one? Okay, I remember this one. Oh. Stupid, 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 stupid. And then gold. Sayonara. Now the balloon was, I think it was right here. So what you had to do was, you see the other combinations here. You obviously had to take the rubber, boom, then it made a rubber platform. That's how you were supposed to get the other one. And then I guess you could just have like the other stuff. I can't believe that worked. But yeah, then boom, get the balloon. Right there, that's how you get it. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah, and then yeah, you only had one chance. If you didn't do it, you have to do it all over again. I can't believe that works. Okay. Hi. Oh, wait, how do I have concrete? Where did you get that from? Well, you're dead then. Bye-bye. Get the yucky yuck out here. Hey, why you running, boy? Get the yucky yuck out of his feet. Hey, you like the light, buddy? Oh yeah! Oh, oh yeah! See ya. All right. Okay. Let's keep her moving. Woo! Nice job. You can weather the weather, whatever the weather. Yeah. So this one, you have to go on the other side, suck up the tree root there, throw it up to that crocoid, and then that's pretty much it. Another pretty easy one. Here we go. Breaking forecast. Up next is a big secret to summon a brainstorm. Alright. Then boom. And it's a rock, the rubber. Can you see me weighted up ahead? You're almost at the end. That's today's end forecast. Now rise and enjoy sunny skies. With this, you can go whoosh. Yeah, there. And look, there's stone. But with this, boom! Now it's rubber. So that's really cool. And then up here, you just have to make a splash. Climb up there, and you got the last balloon. Or I think that's the last balloon. I'm a shake body, and then here, boom. There you go, and then you can make a glow tone, because why not? And then you can switch it out. And then if you put all the ice cubes over here, to that area, you get the last Banandium root you need. I mean, Banandium gem you need, and then that's pretty much the end of the level. So let's get the frick out of here. You grab from the ground. There you go. Yep, and then there's the last Banandium root right there, with the big one right here. And that's the end of the elephant one. Not too terrible, but you gotta use your brain a little bit. The elephant Bananza lesson has now been cleared. Sunny skies ahead. Alright. Then from there. Oh, excuse me. From here, Pauline learned about to go low and to go high. So that's what she learned here. Got the thing, and then this is the special power for the elephant. Inhale for extended periods to change the surrounding terrain into gold. That's the power there. Now, next up is the last one. Oopsie. Is the snake. I'm not gonna go over there because there's actually something I did. Alright. But when up down, and then we do the last one. Radiance later with the snake. Layer. Alright. I cannot wait for that part of Direct. I really hope there's a lot of third-party games. And not on game key cards, please. Even though I'm pretty sure most of them are. Alright. Alright, here we go. Let's go talk to Snake Brother. There we go. Put on a rehearsal. There you go. Alright, my DJ skills are transformative, just ready to snake out and non-stop. Yeah, here we go. Nice hearing the instrumental for this song, by the way. Now show me the powers you've got, I'll sling the rhymes on the spot. So now we just do this. This has got to be the most easiest one out of all of them for sure, but that's why it makes it so enjoyable. Especially to be the last one. Use all our glare moves and whatnot, makes it a ton easier. Alright. It's about to get real, so wake up. If you're so scared, they give up. Here we go. Destruction and creation. Here. Woohoo! Woo! Up here, and then I don't believe we see the next balloon just yet. Okay, so right here is the first balloon. Never mind, I lied. It's right there. So you get that one right there. This is literally the easiest one. There you go. That's the first one. Boom. And then over here, I believe you just had to... You know what? Oh wait, I can't do it anymore. Oh, well. You can probably guess what happens. You just gotta jump. Here we go. Too bad the challenges are not over there again. Alright. Alright. Spiky walls go slipping by. Break them down if you dare. So with here, you gotta use your glare. Feathers out pretty quickly. I mean, kind of. After getting hit, you use the glare to make it so it's easy to grab the bombs and use it for this spiked wall. Then with that, when time goes back to normal, you can go in through the hole or be like me, being an idiot. Yeah, that's the first part. What? Bro, that still hurt me.
You need a break.
Throw it again. And then there's just gotta beat it up there. There you go. There's an opening. Whoop! There we go. And one more, which is this is where the secret one is. Throw your bombs at me. Boom. Up, you fricker! Okay. Stupid. You throw one here, then. Throw your stuff, man. Jesus. Yep, and then you went here. Bada boom, bada boom. You gotta raise it up again. And then here is where your next balloon is. Right here. So with that little hole I made earlier, there's the next balloon right there. And then the main one's right there, but as long as you get this one, you can just go back up. There you go. And then over here, it's basically just slow motion as you make your way to the top, and that's it. Not too bad either. It's definitely the most fun out of everything. Next. Alright. Here's the next one. Third scale. You want to move up. Punch and punch when it's time's right. Jump and jump. So this one is more slow motion stuff. So you hit this, lose the platforms along. Then you use your glare to slap them in time. Just like that. Oh, Jesus. Not good. Okay, I messed that up a little bit. That's alright. Oh, what the frick? Here, you go through here, and you get the next balloon. It's right there. Move back. Boop. Go up. Now you deal with lava this time, which means it's harder. Can't tell. Boop it all the way out. There you go. Go up. Oh, that was close. Keep going. All the way to the tippy top. There you go. This one's also pretty cool. Boop. And then this one is basically try to, again, slow motion, but the whole structure is made out of bombs. So just get up. That's also pretty easy. Alright. Alright. First skill. Artless moves are your knockdown. Use your skills to stick around. So this one is basically climbing up with obstacles in your way. So there you go. Gotta go like this and keep using glare to help you out. Holes in the wall here. Nothing too terrible though. Yeah, this one has electrified walls now. Oh boy, it's harder, ain't it? Over here. up. One more. Okay, and there it is. That's the second to last one. And then over here, it's defeating the big boys over a little water. You just break them up with this move. They fall down, they dead. There we go. And now the last challenge. By the way, the balloon there was a secret hole there somewhere that you could break through. That's how you got the last balloon there. Alright. The end is nigh. The beat will drop. Don't get drowned. Thrown. Climb to the top. And this one, as you can expect, yep, there's void walls / K-roll walls, whatever you like. Which is K-roll, but it's whatever. They're the indestructible walls. Yep. They'll start falling if you're not fast enough. Is there anything this one's about to do? Nope. There you go. And then if you continue over here. We continue to go up. The balloon is right there on that left-hand side. That's where the last balloon is. I believe so. And this one's just one big wall. Go like this, and we're good. And that's the end of this level. So yeah, this was the easiest of the two. Just a little more brain than anything, but it's definitely a lot more funner, that's for sure. And there you go, and that's all the rehearsals. The Snake Bananza's rehearsal is a wrap. Bravo, my slithery maestros. And then for the... here? What did Pauline learn? I don't remember what she learned, to be honest. I don't know. Either way, from here we got the golden Bananza, golden jump. Jump burst and meteor punches will change the surrounding terrain into pure gold. So I think it's still pretty much either zebra, Kong, then I think, I don't know if elephant translates, but probably elephant, snake, and then ostrich in that order is the best to least to worst of the golden skills, I think. And then now Pauline was like, I'm still not there yet, I still need something. And to do it, we had to go back to the planet core. Somebody suggested it. Oh no, DK suggested it, heading back to the planet core. So let's go back. Oh, so cute. Oh. Excuse me. Alright, this is the last thing that we need to do in the planet core. Sublayer 1601. Okay. Now from here, we go all the way to the planet core. Thankfully, I have a new rest spot here now.
Should we teleport?
I mean, teleport spot. Alright. Here we go. So from here, we could ask the Banandian Brew for a song. I don't know what it would have done, but I don't think anything happened. But we talked to the eels over here, and it spawned the Harmoneel. So the Harmoneel came down here. I was like, I can help you. Probably something's low on my belly, and it does feel weird in there. So yeah, so we went in there, and that's the final thing we have to do. So, well, before we go in there, because this is technically like the last trial of the game, something similar to like Wonder, right? It's supposed to be hard. It's not terribly hard. It's kind of frustrating, but it's not crazy hard. So let me show you. It definitely is a final trial to show what you got, and then also manage your banandium energy. So here you go. Ooh, welcome back to my mighty windpipe. Yeah, here it says my stomach's weird, so be careful in there. So from here, we have both of these, so let's get started. So sorry, I will not be very frustrated in here. Not gonna, well, I'm gonna tell you some things that happened here. So let's get going. Here we go with Ostrich Bananza, and then thorns pop out. So this is a little bit tricky to figure out. And there you go. Just kind of like that. There's definitely holes you can go into, or you can be like me, like there, be an idiot. Ow! What the frick? As you can see, this does suck. Oh, I didn't have enough energy. I'm done. Yeah, and then this was the first balloon area, it's just right around here somewhere. Yes, there was balloons in this area as well. There you go, and then bombs away. Try to wait it out a little bit, and then, or if you don't do that, you'll be fine. So if you're lucky, you can try to do it like this if you don't run out of glide. This is flying. There you go, that was lucky. And that's the end of the first level. So let's keep going. From here, we have, hey guys. It's easier to recover your Bananza. Get made of glass. See ya. This one here, Ostrich. Now, there was a point where I had to do this level again because I missed a balloon. So as soon as I missed one, I immediately went back. So I went here. So apparently there was a balloon here, right here, this wall, this concrete wall right here. So I had to go back and get that. So very cool. Ow! I was gonna go into Ostrich. Get up. I go here, fly like this. I didn't do it like this, by the way. I'm just an idiot. And here we go. Go from Bananza. Go down. Now this is the part where I kind of like, should I go back? Because I thought I missed a balloon. No, I didn't. That's why I did the redo of the level, because I thought I missed it here. No, I did not. It was the concrete level. I'm just gonna go through here and bash everything in. Ow! Just kind of spin around. We'll be fine if we just spin around. There you go. And that's the end of the second level. Nothing too crazy mayhem in here. This is apparently the halfway point. So let's keep going. Moving forward. Here we go. And then there's this level. This also kind of sucks. So we're just gonna grab some things here. I did not do it like this again, by the way. I did not do it like this. I did it like normal, just raw DK. I don't know what I was gonna say, but just literally just DK. Bye bye, idiot. See ya. Yeah, just DK stuff. So. Just gotta go through this little ride here. This is definitely made for the elephant, but I didn't do it with the elephant at all. Oh. See ya, stupid. I'll try to do the rest of this without the mode. So I'm just gonna have them come over here. Here. Woo! Stupid. Here we go. And then this open. Now there was a balloon around here somewhere. Yeah, there's a balloon like right here. You need to like use them as platforms to hit it. That definitely took a while. Here you need to kind of dodge them, or you could break them if you had elephant. There you go. And we're good. That's the end of this part. Don't hit them because you guys are dumb, and I definitely did that because you're the other one. No, just kidding. Just gonna grab it from this chunk over here. Throw it over there. There you go. Alright. From here, we go to the final level. No, not yet. We're not at the final one. But we can use the minecart. Well, pretty easy to surmise. We use you, buddy. We use you. So let's get going. Alright, so here we go. We have a little bit of a normal DK minecart type level right here. Going like this. Like that. Right, boom. And boom. Whee! All the way up. So we had to miss the cannon and go up there. That's where the other balloon is. But obviously it's not there, so we're not doing that. I've almost ran out of floor, but we just had enough. Alright, now a 2D level. So from here, we had to just kind of go through here. Go through here. Then I'll use sneak to glare it up. You can glare with sneak, and then use DK to punch through all the barrels here to make it slightly faster. And from here, when I had to go back for this because I didn't notice it. Ow! And from here, there's a balloon right there on the left, and that was the final balloon to get the instrumental of what do you call it? What did you call it? Golden frick, breaking through. That's the song. Breaking through. The instrumental for it. There you go. Here we go. Okay. There you go. Keep moving. Just running through here without getting hit. Like that. Don't do that. But anyways, all the elders and everybody is back there. Okay, so all the elders are just back there. Just chilling. Damn, I just fall all the way through? Alright, that did not happen before. I don't know. You just gotta be patient, I guess. Yeah, literally everybody's here jamming out, seeing me get hit. Like an idiot. Yep, and then here's the final marker. Alright. There you go. We go through the thank you. Like normal, any Nintendo fashion, really. Ooh, incredible! Feels like you're almost at the end. And there you go. You get the final Bananza route, and then the elders talk to you. Ooh, congrats! Now it's time to spit you back out. So then all the elders right here would talk to you, be like, "Congratulations, you beat all the damn trials. Thanks." And then from here, what they would do is Pauline would find inspiration for a song, and she would do this. Here you go. She would go do 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 do. She sung the melody for the original Donkey Kong, the Donkey Kong game. For his like the girder theme, his main theme, there. So yeah, that's what she sang. That's it. And then she said, I have inspiration for my song, so let's go to the surface. So let's go to the surface.
What should we do, DK?
So we asked the Bananza room to go to the surface.
You ready for this?
Let me go up.
Please grant our wish. Great Bananza fruit.
So yeah, this is basically us. Well, we're falling towards the surface now. So it's basically the same thing, the credits and whatnot, but if we skip to the end, my reaction wasn't crazy, by the way. You get this, a picture right here. This picture, which is the diva dress in the festival, and DK is there. So that's what is there at the end when you do all this, the rehearsal. So that is basically it. And after that, we go back out here. Or it doesn't send you to the... Oh, sorry. From here, I went out. I went back in. And Alright, so when we go back, you can actually talk to one of the Harmoneels here. Or the... what do you call it? Elevator. Sorry, yeah, elevator. If you talk to the young elevator right here, you'll be like, wow, you did it! And then Harmoneel is like, you did a good job. Here, I give you disc. And he gives us Breaking Through's original song. So if we go back to the to my home base here, or getaway, and if you haven't heard the slight melody yet, that's what's playing right here. And that's the end of the game. I mean, for now, obviously. So, yeah, and that was it, really, other than the outro. So, that was it. I'm very sorry that I fricked up and deleted this episode. Hopefully I don't do it again for anything, especially if it's so special. Because, bro, if it was like the finale of DK Bananza, I would have gone so crazy. Oh my god, I would have been so mad. But yeah, that is it for this game. So for right now, this is the end of the main series. We are going to go into another series, or I guess sub-series. So all the videos from now on will be renamed to 1, 2, 3 again. But there are called the road, something like road to get all the bananas or all the fossils, something like that. So from this point on, we will be collecting every single banana. We will be going through all the worlds once again to get all the bananiums and the fossils. I'll tell you more about that when we get to that series. We'll try to make those videos a little less frequent, so we can just try to do other games as well. Mainly Yakuza, because it has been neglected for quite a long time, and I want to try to see if I can beat it before Kirby. The Kirby, what do you call it? the Kirby upgrade. So we're gonna see what we're gonna do here. I'm gonna see what we're gonna do, and I still have a lot of like revisited series on Switch 2. I still gotta do some of those, but we'll see how it goes. But we'll make those, quite frequent. I know for sure I definitely want to make those videos as fast as possible, but for you, I'm still gonna try to space them out so it's not just all DK until the end of like time, But yeah, that is going to do it for this video. Again, I'm very sorry for what has happened to this video. I will make it up to you by doing a double feature of something that is hopefully not DK related, just so you can enjoy that. So yeah, oh well. But thankfully, there's nothing too crazy reactions here, so I'm kind of okay with it. But oh well. Oh, this music's so good. I was listening to this music yesterday while I was working. Oh my god, like going to work and going back to work. And I'm sure I'm gonna listen to it again, maybe. Just listen to the song. Oh my god, I can't wait to replay this game on my 4K TV, bro. Oh my god. But yeah. Oh, but yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. So thank you guys for watching. Good night, good evening, or good morning, depending on when you see this. And I'll see you guys next time as we collect all the collectibles that is left within this game to see if anything happens. So I'll see you guys then. Bye bye for now. Ooh, yeah. Bye bye. And enjoy the double feature here. I'm very sorry. Get small, together through it all. Heart of gold.